So let us talk about descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics deals what happened in the past. So the common tools and techniques are dashboards, example Tableau, Power BI, reports, Excel such as pivot tables and charts or graphs, SQL queries or structured query language, and of course basic statistical summaries. Descriptive analytics is the first and most basic stage of data analytics. So it focuses on summarizing and interpreting historical data to understand what has happened in the past. In simple terms, descriptive analytics answers the questions what happened. It plays a critical role in helping organizations understand past events and behaviors. It is about summarizing historical data to identify trends, patterns, and anomalies that inform decision making. Descriptive analytics typically uses simple statistical tools, data aggregation, and visualization techniques to convert raw data into meaningful insights. Here are the key points of descriptive analytics. It plays a fundamental role in data analysis by providing a clear picture of past events and behaviors, allowing businesses to understand what happened and why. So the focus is summarizes past data to understand what has happened. So tools use dashboards, reports, Excel, SQL or structured query language, visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI, techniques, data aggregation, data summarization, basic statistics, in particular measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, time frame looks at historical data, not predictive or future focus. So the goal is to provide context and insights for decision making by identifying trends or meanings, patterns, and anomalies. Example, sales by month, website visits over time, customer support ticket volume. So part of analytic spectrum, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. Its real-life impact is seen in various industries from retail to healthcare, where organizations use it to enhance decision-making, optimize processes, and improve customer experiences. By turning historical data into meaningful insights, descriptive analytics forms the foundation for more advanced types of analytics like predictive and prescriptive analytics. Ultimately, it helps organization or businesses stay competitive in an increasingly data-driven world. Let us do some refresher regarding the steps being conducted during descriptive analytics. So data collection and acquisition, collecting structured data from spreadsheet, databases, and unstructured data from social media or text files. Second is data cleaning and preparation, standardizing the data formats such as dates and numbers. Third is data aggregation and transformation, calculating summary statistics such as means, medians, totals, and counts. Then the fourth one is data visualization and reporting, creating charts, graphs, and dashboards to represent the data visually. During data visualization reporting, descriptive analytics relies heavily on data visualization to make the findings accessible and understandable.